to today's video. So today I wanted to do kind of like a sparkly kind of makeup look. So if you see how I create this look, then keep on watching. Okay, we're going to start with the eyes. I'm going to use the Urban Decay all-nighter face primer. This is the travel size one. I'm just going to take some of that on the back of my hand. To apply the primer, I'm going to use the Inisa Beauty Eye Prime brush. Okay, now that the eyes are primed, I'm going to go in with my Jafra cream concealer in light. With my finger, I'm going to blend the concealer. I'm going to take the Bare Minerals Original Powder Foundation in fairly light with my Inisa Beauty angled concealer brush to set the concealer on the lids. I'm going to dip into the ColourPop That's Taupe eyeshadow palette. First, we're going to take the color Pebble Beach, which is this one. Okay, I'm going to also take Pebble Beach on the outer part of the eye. Our outer half. Then I'm going to take Rock Steady and apply this to the outer part of the eye. Oh, with my Sephora blending crease brush. I'm going to take my Morphe M453 brush and just blend that color in the crease a little bit. Then what I like to do as well is I like to take Boa and just blend any of the harshness. Then I'm going to take my Echo Tools eyeshadow brush and take Slated and apply this to the lid. I'm going to take it as well in the corner of the eye. Okay. I'm going to come back with eyeliner on and lashes on. Like always, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel in Opal. I'm going to use a different brush this time. I'm going to use the Inisa Beauty Pinnacle Foundation brush. Okay. For concealer, I'm going to take the same concealer that we used on the eyes. This is the Jafra Cream Concealer in Light. I'm going to go under the eye. Any blemishes. With my finger, I like to blend it. Just at the under eye area, I'm going to use the same loose powder that we use to set the eyes. So now I'm going to use the Honest Beauty Cream Blush in Coral Peach with the Anissa Beauty Angled Cheek Brush. Okay, I'm kind of doing this reversed order. So now I'm going to take the Jafra Highlight Stick in Bubbly. I'm going to place this here on the outer part of the eye, inner again, and then above the brow. I've kind of got that in the brow. Oops. Okay, now we can set everything. I'm going to use the same powder. I'm going to use this is from the Morphe face brush set. I'm going to use the fluffy brush to set the T-zone and the outsides of the face. Now, with a smaller version of the same brush set, I'm going to take the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in medium. For lip liner, I'm going to take the Jafra Royal lip liner in Deanna. Then with a lip brush, I'm going to go in with the Jafra Luxury lipstick in Beige Chiffon. And on top of that, I'm going to take the Jafra Royal Plumping Lip Jelly in Sugar and Spice. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Jafra Volumizing Brow Gel in Clear. Hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you again in the next one. Bye!